seriously considered taking tonight off, which is evident by the fact that I'm not even wearing pants right now. And Damian King is not wearing wrestling gear right now. But when I saw these two jokers slide into this ring, when I saw some kid named Broccoli and some kid named Action Jackson something or other slide into this ring, I found myself flashbacking to a few weeks ago when we kicked Biff Slater's useless ass out of the patriarchy. I found myself flashbacking to a moment in which weakness was no longer to be tolerated within the patriarchy of Kyle Blizzard, of Damian King, of greatness that we represent. So when I find myself jumping back into that moment, I see in the ring not two men, but one very large, very useless individual known as Biff Slater. And I just love to whip Biff Slater's ass. It's probably one of the things I'm the best at doing. Therefore, we're going to go ahead and we're going to revisit a few weeks ago. We're going to imagine in our minds, in our heart of hearts, that you are Biff Slater, that we are the patriarchy, we exist above you, and we exist above all you people, because we are the best. Now, the real question is, will you bow to your betters? Will you bow to your masters of the universe? Will you bow to the patriarchy? Because you will bow or you will be broken.